Welcome to Lady Mary Bath. Join me as we tour Enfusia, a company known for its all-natural and organic bath and body products that rejuvenate, renew, and refresh using wonderful fragrances. This is a bath bomb. I have given these for years as gifts. They're beautifully packaged with a drawstring sheer organza bag. I've used these many times for ladies' lunches, as table favors, and takeaway gifts. I hope that we learn lots about their product line today and that we get to meet their owner, Debra Myers, and learn about her woman-based business and how she has influenced the industry with her butterfly promise. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to Enfusia. We make handmade bath products and soaps and soaks. We also make Muscle Rehab here, which is a product for athletes. And let's show you around. At Enfusia, we do make everything by hand, so we use very small batches to control our quality. And I think it's important that you see for yourself how we make it. Follow me. So in our salt area, it's very much like a Subway sandwich. We have a base, and then from that base we actually add different components to it, botanicals and fragrance. Then we hand mix it. Machines don't touch our product. Come take a look. So this is Alex. He's making some salts for us, and as you can see, we have everything is made by hand. And the reason we do it by hand is so that the integrity of the oils stay intact. Machines can heat up our essential oils and actually can degrade the product. So you'll see he mixes everything by hand, and then it'll go out for packaging. So it'll go into a batch like this. It's weighed out, and then it will go through here. Like this. And then it is put on the shelf from there. It'll get a lock code on the back and it'll go to our shelf. But everything is made and shipped within about 4 to 5 days time. So as you'll see, this is where our bath bombs are made. And this is one of our bath bomb teams. We got Rainy, Melissa, Blanca, Veronica, and Juan. And right now we're in the process of making unicorn hearts. So this is what it ends up as. This is a custom product that we do for retailers, and it is a lime, a verbena, a little bit of citrus, and a little bit of lavender. But as you can see, everything is done by hand so that we can control the quality with every single bath bomb. We only use food-grade ingredients, so it's stuff that you could even find in your kitchen or a restaurant supply. Of course, we're buying it in pallets, so it's a little bit different than something you would find just at the restaurant supply, because we buy pallets of product at a time and then it funnels through here. Thanks, guys. So right now Rhonda and Adriana are working on our finishing, and it goes through here, so like that, and then it'll go right through here. You can see the little pizza oven right here. It'll show you what's going on. And then Adriana checks her quality here at the end. And Mandolin is putting a lock code on it so that we can track exactly what's happening minute by minute. So we are an NSF certified facility, and what that means is that we have gone above and beyond to be certified that everything in here meets good manufacturing practices, but is certifiable as such. So that's why we have lock codes on everything, and every single product and ingredient that comes in here is inspected for quality, and we also make sure we monitor everything from the door to out to here, and then when the FedEx guy comes. And then this is Patty and Maria. They are two of my superstars right now. They're finishing. You're on YouTube. So they're finishing, they're bagging and tagging, and this is what goes into the store. It's a finished product.
Those are beautiful organza bags.
Yes.
It's perfect for gift giving, which is what I like.
Yeah, we love it. It makes it so that you don't have to actually wrap anything up. It's perfect, fantastic.
So the stores such as Whole Foods and HEB, they have orders that they place with you? And
yes.
they estimate the need?
So that's a great question. What happens is we have salespeople, and of course the stores themselves order directly from us, and they'll place an order and they say, hey, I need 15 pomegranates and 10 bunnies and whatever it is I need. And then that actually goes into our order fulfillment process, and that product is made later. So the stuff that's here is sold already. And we also have a CBD product. You can find this at independent retailers, and you can of course buy it online. It's at purecbd.com or through our Enfusia website. It has 25 milligrams of CBD in it, and we use CV Sciences CBD, which is the world's largest CBD supplier. It's not Chinese sourced. So from the seed to the harvest is full transparency, and with every batch of our product, you can go to our website and you can see the certificate of analysis for every product we make. And we also have a product called Muscle Rehab, which I'll show you. It is a product specifically for athletes who need help with recovery for onset muscle soreness and lactic acid buildup, and it is called Muscle Rehab. And this product we sell at Academy Sports, we sell it at Fleet Feet, we sell it at lots of different running stores, we sell it at Define, which is a yoga studio. So places like that carry these types of products because people who are sore aren't going to work out as much. So we want people to stay active and stay busy, you know, and the way you do that is by recovering. And it's not just made for people who work out, but we have people who have fibromyalgia or people who are going through cancer treatments. They're just naturally sore. So this helps with that. This also at night, if you use it before bed, will help you sleep better. So it is a beautiful product, and we're super proud. And everything actually has our Butterfly Promise on there.
Yes, tell us more about the Butterfly Promise.
Our Butterfly Promise is something that we're very, very proud of. It is a trademarked item. And what our Butterfly Promise means is there's no phthalates, there's no parabens, there's no sulfates, no dyes. And really what that means is it's just a way to keep us transparent to our customer base, but also people are specifically looking for people who are newly diagnosed with cancer, for example. The first thing they almost eliminate is parabens. There's 5 or 6 different parabens that are in body products in general, but you can rest assured that we don't have any of them. And so we felt it was super important that on every package that we make, our graphics team makes sure that the Butterfly Promise is on there. And it's super important because people want to know what they're putting on their skin, they want to know what they're putting in their bodies, and we want to make sure that we're as transparent as possible for the end user. It's not hard at all to make something expensive. What's hard is making something that is very good quality that people can actually afford. And one of the things that we're super conscientious of is any new product that we come out with. For example, when we came out with our heart box, that we launched it for Valentine's Day, but it's so beautiful. We're going to have it all the time.
I love it.
You
I
know,
bought some of
I could charge $30 for this, of course, but it's $18.99. So you get 4 bath bombs, and it's a fantastic gift. Even if you
break it up.
Exactly right. You get 4 items in there, and you can put these in different ways. So
they're perfect.
It's super important for us to maintain our commitment to affordable products. So we try to source as much organic as we can. We're not an organic company by any stretch of the imagination, but we are food grade and we are clean. There is no ingredient that even is allowed in our door. So because we make so much private label product, people will ship us ingredients, but we have to make sure that they are vegan because our whole process is vegan. So we don't allow anything in our building that's not vegan ingredient. But that's it, and we sure hope that you love it. We appreciate you so much for coming out.
Thank you,
and
Debra.
You can always get more information at Enfusia.com, musclerehab.biz, and purecbd.com. And then, you know, anything that we can do to help you, our customer service team is here Monday through Thursday to answer questions also.
Great. It was such a pleasure. Thank you, Debra, for showing us your lovely
my
facility.
pleasure. Thank you.
I hope that you enjoyed the tour of Enfusia and learning about their all-natural bath products that make every bath beautiful. And I will link in the description below a code to use for a 25% discount on the Enfusia products. So be sure to look for that and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks again, and please hit like and subscribe.